Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana, and in today's video we are going to be cash stuffing my March paycheck number 2. So I am going to be cash stuffing a total of $500. So let's go ahead and unstuff this money so we can cash stuff it. So let's go ahead and count it first. We have 100, 150, 200, 220, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 500. So we do have $500 here. Okay, let me just set this in the cash tray so we can get started. Okay, here we go. Alright, so as usual, we do start with my rent. So for my rent for the first 3 weeks of the month, I am stuffing $200. So let me add, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 81. So that's 100. And then I am going to add, let's see, I'm gonna add 250s. So that's $200 here for rent. So rent has 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, $400 so far in rent. So that's good. Now for my health insurance, I will be stuffing $30 here. So we put a 20 and let's do 2 5s. So health insurance has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Alright, there we go. Next we have my phone, and for my phone I will be adding $5 here. I am paying only $25 for my phone, so I have $5, $10, and $15 so far. And how are you guys doing? Do you guys do anything exciting this week? Let me know in the comments down below. I love to read your comments. So investments is getting 5. Let me take this 5. So investments now has 15. Food is not getting anything just because I still have $25 here, which means that I didn't eat out this week. So since I do want to have always $25 here, I'm not going to contribute anything this week. Alright, now we have my personal envelope, and for my personal I will be adding $15 today. So I think I would need the 5s. So I would do 10 and a 5. Okay. So let me move this up. Okay. So personal has 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. I do have to go to Target and purchase some toiletries with this money. I'm not gonna spend everything, but just like the things that I need. Okay, so personal is at $50, which is good. Now for spending is going to be getting $5. And looks like I'm gonna be missing some 5s. I don't know why, but because this is the last 5 and I need 2 more. So that's weird, I don't know. Spending has 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, and 78. So this envelope right here is just for any gifts that I do want to purchase anyone, like for the birthday, stuff like that. Alright, next we have my grandma, and for my grandma I always stuff $10 in her envelope. So today she's going to be getting 10. So looks like I did something wrong with my denominations. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna exchange a 20, okay? And then I have money here that some of this money is gonna be for my cash stuffing, or maybe everything. I don't know, but I don't know yet. So that's why I can like just like do some exchange. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so we exchanged 10, 15, and 20. So now I have money to stuff my envelopes. Alright, so my grandma, like I said, she's getting $10. So she'll be getting a 10. So now she has 10, 15, and $20 in her envelope. Alright, that's good. And that is it for this binder here. Now we will be moving on to my sinking funds binder, which is my gray binder. Alright, so starting off with my savings. So my savings is going to be getting $100 today. So let's do $100 bill. And then savings has 5,000 in the bank. Okay, this is just a placeholder that represents the money in the bank. So 5,000, 100, 200, 220, 240, and 250. So $5,250 in savings, which is really good. My savings goal for the year is to reach $10,000. So I think we're doing really good in this envelope, which I'm very, very happy about. So next we have new place, and for new place we will be adding $40 here. So 20 and 40. Okay, so new place has 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,500, $600, $700 in the bank, and then 50, 70, 90. So $3,790 in new place, which is good. My savings goal here is $5,000. So I think we're doing really good. We're almost reaching to 4,000, and then that's very exciting for me. Okay, now for my car is gonna be getting $20. So car has 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, $4,000 in the bank. I mean $4,100 in the bank, and then 20, 40. So $4,140 in car. All right. Next we have my classes, and for classes I will be adding $40. So I already have the money here that I do need to pay for my classes. I'm just stuffing more money here just for like my next classes, and also for any books that I may need. You know, books can be a little expensive. Sometimes you have to rent it. Sometimes you'll have to buy it if there's no like rent option, but I hope I can just rent. So classes has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 371, and 372. So I do have to pay $310. So the rest here is gonna be just for like any books, or just starting off to save for my next other classes that I will have to take. Oh, by the way, you guys, my sleeves, if you see them a little dark, they are not dirty. the sleeves of this sweater, they're this color, like they're darker in the sleeve for some reason, and then here is lighter. I don't know, but it's weird. I guess that's just the style, but it looks like it's dirty. Okay, now for emergency will be getting $20. So emergency has $1,100 in my I Like high yield savings account, and then 20, 40. So $1,140 for emergency. Okay. Next here is for Christmas, and Christmas is only gonna be getting $5. I have been adding only $5 each week. Like I've been saying, my Christmas envelope is not really a priority right now, so that's the reason why I'm only stuffing such a low amount. So Christmas has 20, 25, 30, and $35 in Christmas so far. Alright, next we have the last envelope here, which is for attorney, and this is also getting $5. So after I reach 1,000 here, I'm gonna stop contributing to this. So attorney has $500 in the bank, 600, 700, 800, 810, 15, and 20. So $820. Alright, and that concludes my cash stuffing for my second week of March. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, make sure you leave this video a huge like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I do have a shop if you guys are new here, but I always leave my website down below, or like any products that I do sell. So yeah, take a look at that if you're interested on it. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!